Ryan with Missed Out Geek here, and today I just wanted to show you a quick video about how I cut these grids on this PCB, and this bare copper PCB. Let me wipe this dust off of here a little bit, and you can see over here I did a terrible job, and I even cut through it just to see how wide it got here. But over here it's a lot better, and basically I just use a cutter to cut through grids that I drew onto this surface. So I drew grids onto this surface, and then as carefully as I could cut those grids out using this. This is a 12-volt drill master from Harbor Freight, and this thing is just so cute. It does what I need it to do. It's not super powerful. If you push real hard, you will stall it. I mean, this thing could be battery powered even. What I like about it is that you could literally power it with battery because it has the same 2.1 by 5.5 coaxial sockets that we use on all of our radios, on little, QRP radios. So I'm sure you could use, whatever you use to power your radios, you could use to power this. So like my 14-volt bench supply, or battery pack or whatever. But it comes with a 12-volt adapter, so you just plug it in. But I think that is really super cool. So I really appreciate that about it. And it was $10 at Harbor Freight last night. So I saw this and it's like, well, it comes with all these cutoff discs, which I don't know, that's probably guessing 25 cutoff discs. It comes with some little tiny drill bits and the little collets for it. And it even comes with some polishing little discs here and some grinding little discs here and a little, 25 cutoff discs, 20 diamond burr bits, a couple wire brush wheels. I mean, it comes with all these things, and it was $10, guys. And here's the thing. They actually offered me for $2. For $2, it gives a warranty plan on it for a year. If in a year I go through all the supplies, they'll replace all of them for nothing. Now, I didn't buy that because to me that's cheating. I'm willing to, if I go through all these supplies in a year, I'll just buy more. I mean, I like to get what I pay for, but I also like to pay for what I get. So anyway, that's it. I just want to show you this. It's a cool little deal. Cover your face. Don't breathe this stuff. It's like cancer dust or something. So when you're cutting, make sure you use some face protection, maybe even over your eyes, so you're not getting that dust into your eyes. So anyway, that's it. I appreciate you watching. If you like this kind of stuff, well, please, gosh, subscribe, click the like button, and help me out. I appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. 73.